What's up, y'all? It's been a long time since we did a proper cook up video, so let's cook up from scratch. Alright, so when I'm using the machine, I like to drag these audio parts out. So let's start with, let's do, where were we, pattern 1. And let me solo that kick. Drag it out by clicking right here on the right. So empty spot in Logic or whatever your DAW is. That's our kick, and I'll just repeat that process all the way down. Okay, so now that we have the basic concept down, let's go back to, let's go to arcade and see if I can find some, if we can find some air candy. All right, so let's roll out the low frequencies to mask the bottom of that chord that's incorrect. But your ear is gonna like it because it has notes in it in the scale, within the scale still. So. Alright, so I like that, but I hear it's kind of fast as to how I would play it, but I'm going to turn it into audio and then I'll stretch it out. Alright, so what I'll just do to keep it simple is I'm just going to slide it over right here. That's all I need. Let's find a bass sound real quick. Let's use the sub 37. Let's put some glide on it. All right, let's keep it simple. 2, 3. So while I'm playing back the MIDI, I can control the filter on the Moog itself. Let me solo it so you can hear. You can hear what I'm doing as I turn it. Hey. And I'm recording the MIDI into audio. All right, so at this point, I'll let's take the vocal off, and you'll hear what the beat sounds without the vocal. So if I was to give this to a vocalist to write to, or a writer, sorry, to write to, there would be a good pocket for the vocal because I built the beat around a vocal part, basically. Yeah, so that's it, y'all. I hope you found value in this. If you did, please share, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Please, 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 please press the like button. Please, 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 please. And let me know what else y'all want to see, you know. So after this, normally I just build the beat out, like I said, send it to a writer or have a writer pull up, and then we just write the song together and then customize the beat around it some more, around the vocals actually, after we put the vocals in. And then give it a break, mix it, master it, send it out. We got another one. All right, so thanks for tapping in.